TCK56Y lathe milling compound machine, equipped with an A6 electric spindle capable of reaching speeds up to 4,500 revolutions per minute (RPM) and providing a torque of up to 143 nanometers. The power turret is customized with a 2.2 kilowatts motor, ensuring the power head can rotate at speeds above 6,000 RPM for extended periods. The machine weighs 3.8 tons, approximately 1 ton heavier than other models of the same type. It also features a customized small spindle tailstock, offering higher precision compared to traditional revolving centers with a runout of up to 3 microns.